I'm going to talk about the Goody section of secure hair clips, and it's 12 of them. And they look like this. So yeah, nothing fancy, and just, yeah. And then on the back, perfect set of sectioning clips to secure your hair in place so you can style with ease. And yeah, these are Goody products. So I've used these clips for a long time. When I started to get my hair straight, I used to get my hair done. And at first I wasn't really too good at wrapping my hair, and I mean I still use them when I get my hair straight, and it helps me to secure my hair, and then I pull them down to put the scarf on and then go to sleep. Actually, I use these clips for a lot of things. Like if I'm about to do something active, sometimes I'll wear a ponytail and it might smack me in the face or whatever I'm doing. So I'll kind of just pin it on top of my head to keep it secure. Sometimes I gotta use 2 clips because I feel like one may not be strong enough, depending on if my hair is like, if I got it with a lot of body or if it's just going straight. Another thing is that I actually use these to pin and curl my hair. Wow. I used to use bobby pins, but I don't know, I kind of feel like it was snagging my hair a little bit. Like, I don't know, I felt like maybe I don't know, I'm just gonna say, yeah, I feel like the bobby pins were kind of a little rough. And then especially like the ends, you know, a bobby pin is supposed to have like the soft part at the ends, but then when that little soft part comes off, and then it's nothing but like a sharp edge, and then it like snags and rips your hair and all that. So I was like, okay, yeah, there's gotta be another resolution, another, you know, way to do this. So I actually started using these, and I haven't really noticed a problem with them at all. But some people, I've seen articles saying that sometimes it has, but I haven't really had any experiences from that, thank God. But saying how like this part right here can be a little, I don't know, I guess I can understand why they would think that this part may not be too safe. Hold on. May not be too safe for the hair. But what I did was like I wrapped this around the scarf, and I placed like a rubber band over it. Yeah, I did it myself. And so literally I would get a scarf that I do not use, and I'll just cut a little piece, and I'll literally like wrap it around this part, and then it'll securely hold that once I place the rubber band on it. And literally I use that for when I pin curl my hair. As I'm talking now, I thought about maybe doing that on this part too, but I mean it's still gonna snag or whatever. But I mean, but like I said, I haven't really noticed a snag when I use these clips. And plus, I'm really careful on how I place these clips in my hair. Like, I just don't just jam it in there, you know. I kind of like, you know, open it and then make sure everything is straight and the hair is secure, and then I'll just let it go. And this part is covered because I do sleep with these in my head, so it's like, you know, your hair might get wrapped around it, then you lay in it, snap. But I got this secured with a scarf, so it kind of like brushes it off. It, you know, it just stays secure. Like it just rubs off. Like everything, all this is covered up with the scarf. And I mean, I love it. You know, I use these clips sometimes when I'm sectioning, blow drying my hair. Like I put it in 4 sections, and that one section at the bottom, like if you're on the bottom part of your hair. And I mean, you can blow dry that chunk, or you don't have to. And the same thing goes for when you straighten your hair. You divide that piece, and you might divide it in like even 4 smaller pieces on that one particular section. And I use this, and it holds. Like, I have no complaints with these clips, and I've been using these clips for a long time. So, and it comes with 12 of them. I believe they have other hair clips besides these, but these are the ones I just got because it sections in and secures my hair. But yeah, so these are the Goody hair section and secure clips. And again, like these. So if you are worried about if you do pin curl your hair, if you keep these clips in your head, try like getting an old scarf and just wrapping it around this section right here. Just wrap it around, and it doesn't have to be big. Just enough to where it can cover up this part. And once you hold it in place, grab a rubber band and just go around it so it can hold. Hey, I like it. I thought about myself.